Hi, this is Minetta from the Dwight Foster Public Library in Fort Atkinson, Wisconsin. Today I'm going to give you a tour of the different summer reading challenges we have on our library's Beanstack site. Remember that Beanstack is the library's new web-based reading challenge software. Our library's Beanstack site address is fortlibrary.beanstack.org. This summer, our library has 4 different reading challenges for different age groups. We have a baby toddler challenge, a preschool through 5th grade challenge, a 6th through 12th grade challenge, and an adult challenge. When you create your Beanstack account, Beanstack will automatically assign you to the correct challenge based on the reader's grade level. So let's take a look at these challenges. First, we'll tour our challenge for readers in preschool through 5th grade. In this challenge, readers will earn prizes after logging 2 and 5 hours of reading. Readers will earn tickets for raffle drawings when they log activities and extra reading. So let's look at what this page for preschool through 5th graders actually looks like. We start out on our overview page, and when you scroll down, it gives you an overview of the challenge. Next, we can click on our Challenge Badges tab, and this will show us that we've already earned our welcome badge for registering for this challenge. Next, let's click on our Logging Badges page. This page is going to show us all of the reading that we've logged so far in our challenge. Some of our badges are bright and colorful, and other badges are still gray. The colorful ones are ones that we've already earned by reading enough, and the gray ones are ones that we haven't yet earned, but we can earn. You'll also see some badges have this trophy image and others don't. The trophy image means that when you log enough reading to reach that badge and earn that badge, you are going to receive a prize from the library. So in the preschool through 5th grade challenge, you'll see a trophy on the badge for 2 hours of reading, and you'll see another trophy on the badge for 5 hours of reading, because that's when you will earn prizes. As you continue on past that 5 hours, now you're going to see tickets attached to all of the rest of the reading badges. That's because when you log extra reading past the 5-hour mark, you are going to earn tickets that you will be entering into our raffle drawings. Next, we can click on Activity Badges. Activity badges are badges that you could earn by completing the activities that we have listed. You'll see that we have lots of different choices of activities that you could complete. And if you want to learn more about what the activity that we're asking you to do is, you click on it, and it's going to tell you. And when you're finished completing this activity, you're going to check the box. And now you've earned that activity badge. It's also telling us that we've earned tickets because all of our activity badges in the preschool through 5th grade challenge earn you tickets for raffle drawings. So you will see these little ticket images by all the badges. Some of these badges I've already earned, and some are gray. They're ones that I still can work on. We could see our earned badges, which is going to give us a summary of all the badges we've earned so far. We could click on our rewards, and it's going to tell us how much reading we still need to do to unlock our rewards. The Ticket Drawings tab is really important in the preschool through 5th grade reading challenge. This is going to tell you how many tickets you've earned, and then readers in these challenges need to decide where they want to put their tickets. So you'll see different options listed, and you will choose which drawings you want your tickets to be entered in. So let's say I wanted to try to win a Culver's gift card. I would click Add Tickets. I have 3 tickets available that I can choose to put in these buckets. Let's say I want to put 1 ticket in the Culver's bucket. So I'm going to enter 1 ticket. That's giving me 1 chance to try to win that Culver's gift card. It doesn't mean that I'm necessarily going to get it, but the more tickets you enter in these buckets, the more chances you have to win. I still have 2 tickets left, so let's put the rest of my tickets in the Planet Chaos bucket. Now I have 0 tickets available. Enter. If I ever changed my mind and I wanted to change how I've allotted my tickets, you could click on subtract tickets and you could take them out of a bucket and put them into a different bucket. So you, readers in this preschool through 5th grade challenge, have some choices to make about which raffle drawings they want to enter their tickets in. And finally, we have our challenge log, which is showing us the reading that we've logged so far. Let's switch to our older child. Okay, and I'll get into their challenge. Here we are. For our readers in 6th through 12th grade, they will earn prizes after logging 5 and 10 hours of reading. They will also earn tickets for raffle drawings when they log activities and extra reading. So we won't go through all of the tabs on this account because some of them are going to look pretty similar. But again, we have our logging badges for the reading that they're going to log. And we'll notice the trophy image after 5 hours of reading, and then another trophy image after 10 hours of reading, and then tickets attached to all of the reading after that. Our activity badges look a little bit different. Some are similar to the younger readers, but a lot of them are different, and they all have those tickets attached to the badges because completing activities will earn readers tickets for our raffle drawings. We can click on our ticket drawings tab to see our ticket options, our drawing options. Let's switch to our baby reader. We'll enter our challenge. For babies and toddlers, parents will be able to choose whether they want their youngest children to participate in the baby and toddler challenge and or the preschool through 5th grade reading challenge. So that's entirely up to you. For this age group, you can actually register for both of those challenges, see which one you like best. Some families might choose to complete the baby and toddler challenge first, and then when they're done with that, they might decide to move into the preschool and 5th grade challenge if they want to continue logging reading for those young children. So you have some choices here. The way this challenge works, our babies and toddlers will earn 1 prize after they log 10 books and another prize after they complete 6 activities. So our babies and toddlers are logging books because we expect those youngest readers to be looking at board books, picture books, books that they'll be going through pretty fast. So let's look at logging badges. Here we're earning badges for reading books, not minutes. Then we have our activity badges. We have 6 activity badges. And one thing that's different in this baby and toddler challenge is that these activities need to be completed in order. That doesn't apply to any of the other age groups, but in the baby and toddler challenge, we need you to complete activity 1 before you move on to activity 2, etc. And then when you finish activity 6, you will earn a prize. You'll notice that our babies and toddlers do not have a ticket drawing tab because they won't be earning tickets. If you want to do ticket drawings for this age group, you'll have to switch them over to the preschool through 5th grade reading challenge. Finally, let's take a look at our adult reader. We will enter our challenge. Here we are for our adult reader. Our adult readers will log books, activities, and book reviews. They will earn entries into weekly drawings to try to win local gift cards, and they will also earn entries in the final drawing for $25 chamber gift certificates. So we can see our logging badges. Adults are also logging books, not minutes. We can see our activity badges. And once again, similar to our babies and toddlers, you will not see a tab for ticket drawings. For our adult readers, that's because they will be automatically entered into the drawings when you reach the required landmarks. Adults will not need to allocate any tickets. You will be automatically entered when you reach the correct levels. So that's a quick overview of what our summer reading challenges for 2020 look like. If you have any questions, contact us at the library, and we hope you'll participate in our summer reading program. Thanks. Bye.